Rave Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and I'm excited to have a couple of special guests with me today. Some big news we reported earlier this week with Kramer actually purchasing UC Workspace. And you probably know UC Workspace from providing that sort of consistent user interface on top of any collaboration board. So if you have a facility with lots of rooms in it and lots of different collaboration companies that you decide to use, UC Workspace is famous for providing that single collaboration interface. I wanted to first off congratulate you, Gilad, the CEO of Kramer, for the acquisition, and Angela, congratulations to you as well, the founder and president of UC Workspace, on what y'all have accomplished. And both individually and collectively, I'm excited about the future for you. But Gilad, I want to first ask you the first question. Thanks for joining me. I want to know what the strategic decision was based on. I mean, this is obviously, you've been in collaboration because you have a wireless sharing product. You've got obviously, glue products in the collaboration space, but obviously this is a heavy software-based product. This is quite different than most of what you have in your product line.
Absolutely, Gary, and thank you for hosting us. I'm super excited to be here, and I'm even more excited about the recent move. The recent move is a direct result of our overall strategy of basically to create a much more intuitive and simple way for people to collaborate, to engage, and to link. And I think you know better than anyone that the platforms that Angela and the team has developed in the recent years is a perfect match for our strategy. So it's a complete alignment with our strategy and our future as well.
Well, Angela, you have developed a really great product offering that's been followed very well, and you've had some incredible partners out there that have integrated your interface into their products. So you have some platinum partners you've had historically. You've got a lot of adopters out there in the integration community that have loved the fact that you provide that consistent user interface out there. But ultimately, I'm sure this decision wasn't taken lightly, because you've been an independent company for a long time, sort of under the guise of marrying lots of different products and companies together and simplifying. And we'll talk about some of your future products in just a second. But, why Kramer?
Well, number one, we were looking for a cultural fit. We've got a high energy team that loves to innovate, and we needed a place that was all about innovation, all about, well, we call it extending the boundaries of collaboration. And I think that's the vision that when I talked to Gilad and the entire ELT, it was expanding the boundaries of what collaboration is, and even going further than what we've thought of before, just to simplify that user experience. And that's really what we're looking for.
Well, and ultimately, Quick Launch is probably the most famous product from UC Workspace, and that's the product that's been on the face of all these collaboration boards for many years. But you've got other products coming. UC Central, I love the demo you did for me a couple of years of that, because that allows you to just manage everything inside of any collaboration space. But I'm most excited about Weave, and I know that product is brand new. Angela, where is Weave right now? Where are we in the development of that?
Well, we're on, almost call it version 3. And maybe you should announce it here for us coming up soon.
Okay, good. We'll have to do that.
So version Weave LT and Weave 1 are in market, and Weave version 2 is coming shortly. And as well, we also have UC Central 2 coming shortly. So stay tuned for some announcements between now and ISE.
Yeah, and UC Central is going to be great because it's going to allow you it's going to provide an enormous amount of analytics for a business. How many people are in a room, how many rooms are abandoned, how often are they used, what are they used for? I mean, data that you can take your automation systems, Gilad, your control systems, and really provide some insights and some control automation for these spaces so that they become used more effectively, more efficiently, and actually can theoretically generate cost savings, right?
Absolutely. I think you touched one of the most exciting part of this merger, this acquisition, and the fact and the ability to combine the physical and the digital spaces, and with the analytics that running on the software and all the devices and the connected devices all together, we can create fantastic layer of insights that will translate it into productivity with organizations. So you touch a very, very interesting point of our overall strategy, and it's connecting what we call the physi-digi, the physical and digital medium and world, and to especially today with the hybrid transformation, this become an absolute critical element.
Well, I want to congratulate you both. I'm look forward to what this is going to bring the market, and I certainly look forward to seeing UC Central out there and Weave, the next version of Weave. And thanks for joining me today. All that news on this acquisition is on ravepubs.com. It was officially launched on the 2nd of February. You can go to ravepubs.com and read about it. But of course, you can go to kramerAV.com to learn more about Kramer, and you can go to UCWorkspace.com to learn more about UC Workspace. Angela, congratulations and thank you very much. Gilad, thank you very much. And y'all both have a great day.
Thank you, Gary.
Thank you very much.
Rave Radio with Rants and rAVes.